40% of the time when you're walking, you're standing on one leg, believe it or not. So walking and standing on one leg is pretty important. So one-legged balance is super important. And I've said this before in many of my other videos. Today I'm going to show you another easy way to test and train single leg standing balance. So one of the hardest things about this exercise is using and finding a corner in your house that doesn't have stuff in it already. So you might have to move a chair like I did here in the waiting room in one of our clinics. And what you're going to do is you're going to stand close and tight into that corner. And what you're going to do is now you've got something to hold on to with either one of your elbows to give yourself balance. And the way you're going to test your balance is a number of different ways. So the first one is with a wide stance and just don't hold on to anything. And then narrow your stance and see if you can do that. And then I want you to put one foot in front of the other and see if you can hold it like that without holding onto the wall. Although if you need to, the wall is there and makes it a little bit safer. Now, here's the next progression. It's going to make it super challenging, and that is from this position where one foot is in front of the other. I want you to then turn your head one way, turn your head another way, and try to keep your balance, and then look up. And then I want you to try to look down. Now, again, if you need it, you can hold on to the wall like this with your elbow, but if not, try to do that. So that's a great way to work on one-legged standing balance, and that's a big deal because 40% of your walking is you're on one leg at a time. So it's really worth you working on your strength and agility in that position, as well as while you're turning your head. So try this exercise out in the corner. Find that open spot at home. Good luck to you.